What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little project going on. I decided I want to drop this thing. It might be a little frowned upon what we're gonna do, but watch us do this. So, got the one side out. Gonna go ahead and attempt to either cut or just take it completely out. One of the two. We're gonna slam this hole.
We're taking it off. No washers. Just taking it off.
Ooh, look at them welds over there. But yeah, everything came off fucking with ease. Not an issue. This thing's pretty clean.
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, we're gonna do something a little sketchy here.
Don't try this shit at home.
No, I really don't. I'm trying to figure out the best way to like stand on this and
Just send it. It's fine.
you think?
I've done it plenty of
Should I
times.
stand on the spring or stand on the strut?
I've done both. I don't know.
I want the spring coming up in my face.
Just stand on the spring.
I'm scared, dude, not gonna lie.
I know. That's why you keep jumping off.
It's almost there though.
It's fine.
You think so? You really think so?
Yeah, I think it'll be fine.
I'm not trying to get hurt, bro.
I don't think anyone is. We're both in danger.
You think? I'm scared, dude. Cap, I'm scared as fuck.
We've done it before.
Not like this though, dude. This actually has some like tension. You do it then.
Huh?
You do it then. You won't do it. Oh, damn, okay.
I've done this shit too many times.
You're scared for nothing.
I was scared, bro. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna
Put everything back on without the spring.
yeah, basically.
Again, don't try this shit at home.
No. Can't forget your washer, guys. Do not forget this.
Like it fucking matters in
Yeah, it's gonna ride like shit regardless. But just don't forget it. It helps. Send her back home. Back on. This little rubber cushion here, and you're gonna lock it out. So you don't need this, and you don't need this.
Putting it back on. Look at the space.
Plenty of room for activities. Oops. I don't think I can put the sway bar back on.
We gotta call this the strut top with fish lens.
I don't think I can put the sway bar back on, dude, truthfully.
Fucking take it off.
No, it's gonna work.
Dog, look at that.
Yeah, it's just gonna tuck, bro. Don't drop them. Bro. Alright, that's good. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys.
Now we're gonna have to cut it or add some hockey plugs.
Probably add some hockey pucks for comfort. You don't think so?
Maybe tuck it when it comes back down. Yeah.
The Audi was like that.
No, that's pretty bad. That's like up. Yeah, the Audi doesn't have any fucking no springs either. We're dropping it. Hold up. Put the wheel on.
Fine. This shit should add some natural camber, not much, but
Air out.
it's stuck on the jack.
No, it's not down all the way.
It's stuck on the jack.
The jack's not down all the way. Is it?
Woo!
That was not good for the floorboard, but air it out. That shit look good. Need some smaller tires or that bitch is gonna rub.
Oh,
It's tight.
I
Maybe.
don't know if it's sitting on the tires or...
I don't know, but... Oh yeah. Let's send it all the way around. We're gonna make it work regardless. Fuck the bullshit.
Next side, we're getting to it.
Comment down below if you guys want to see us just do crazy shit to this. Stupid shit, but
That shit looks fire.
it look good though.
Talking about damn near fender to lip. Static. Come on. Can't beat that for $3.99.
This is gonna be crazy.
We're gonna drop this side. Hopefully I don't have to add like too many washers.
Hopefully we don't gotta add none.
Yeah. I don't have it.
Yeah. And then we gotta do the rears, but we're gonna drop the fronts and see if it's functional.
I'll make it function.
Just ruin all the cars. Fuck it.
Well, that time lapse didn't really last too long. It came out like butter.
I'm not scared no more. Do it the Aki way.
Yo, I'll go. Just put your foot on the coil.
Oh shit. Here we go. Damn.
There you go.
Like butter.
Bada bang, bada boom.
Alright. Put this back together like so. R2's done.
Alright, put it
Go
back
put it back
in.
on the car.
Other wheel going on. We just put everything back. Front's gonna be sitting on his face.
Oh my god! You got it? Still in my car. That's under there too. I don't know where it is.
Alright, here's the test. We're gonna see if it can move and roll.
Turning. Oh, you're money. You're good. Alright, let's finish the back.
Back's going
And then we're going
on
for a
back.
drive.
Woo! That made me fucking excited.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
We're about to do a shoot with 2 cars with no fucking springs. Should we throw the roadies on the E46?
Oh, they won't fit.
No more than 18. Drop. There we go. Looks 10 times better. Damn.
I like.
This is gonna be crazy.
Alright, part 2 was the rear. Let's get it.
Putting the last rear wheel on.
And then I'm about to drop it down. It's gonna be sitting.
Alright, that's that side.
Oh yeah, that's just fire.
Yeah, I see that.
Alright, I can get this one out.
Down. is looking pretty proper.
Yeah, no, it looks fire.
Alright, we're gonna clean up, take it for a spin.
Ooh, there's some rubbing. Shit's so fire now. Oh, it's rubbing. It's fire. Now, let's go for a ride. Unlock it. Let's go to the gas station. I need something to drink. Oh, this thing rides so fire. Compared to the Audi?
Dude, yeah, compared to the Audi, this thing rides like butter.
I would actually daily this.
Right.
Grant, we need the fender roller back.
Yeah.
Drives pretty fucking good though. It's not even bouncy though. It's not bad at all. It's pretty bouncy, but
it's not too bad. I would give this, compared to the Audi, this is probably like an 8 out of 10 for no springs. The Audi's probably 6. Say 6?
no.
No?
Big 4s.
4. Okay, the Audi's 4. This is 8. So this thing rides.
This thing rides. Honestly, it rides like Raceland's maxed out. Raceland's maxed out with no helper springs and
alignment's a little off, but that's to be expected.
no, this thing is fire. Damn, this shit looks crazy. Wait till we give this a wash.
Yeah, we'll get it cleaned up eventually. But yeah, that fitment turned out good. Still got the paper plate. It's fire.
This thing is so fire. Shout out Pure Leaf.
Shout out Dr. Pepper. Shout out Smart Water.
You know what they say? They make it. Yeah.
Don't even say it.
But yeah, this shit drives amazing. It kind of smells some rubber, but we need that shit to cook off anyways. Oh my gosh, I smell this rubber. Hopefully that's rubber. Power is not sticking at all. This
I like
thing,
that.
me too. That's gonna be very dangerous with that
Baby.
that new welded diff back there.
Oh, I can't wait.
We're bringing this back to the shop.
Hopefully this weekend we'll get to take this thing out, because I definitely want to take it out to a meet, get it all cleaned up, get it driving straight, get the tire rubbing figured out, and then take it out. Because truthfully, this is the best riding non-suspension car I've driven. Compared to the Audi, this thing is a dream. It's like butter.
It's not even a death trap.
So no, it's really not. I would drive this to Gatlinburg, like no cap. I really would.
Did a little clutch kick on this, and they got down. It was getting silly, a little clutch kick, but that shit. Oh, do you guys hear that? This is gonna blow up soon. That bitch is ticking. About to start knocking before you know it.
I'm gonna put some lubricant in the car.
We're gonna have to put something in it just to keep it going for one more video or something. But we gotta get a shoot with both these two right here. Death traps.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ride stock height. Never.
Never. Never us.
This is
I
crazy.
can't get over how that turned out. That turned out like perfect. That's
Yeah.
how I envisioned.
Came up.
That shit's
good.
fire, bro.
Off E46 to the gas.
It's lower than the Audi, truthfully.
Damn, that rear is tucking over there. Let me get the right about that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this looks fire. Well, alright, I think we're about to wrap this up. About to go home now.
Yeah, we're about to go home. This was a long night. Not really, honestly. This didn't take too long.
It didn't take long at all.
It's just a long day. It's late. It's dark out. I'm trying to go home. Trying to sit down, play some car X. You know the vibes. But yeah, it's turned out great. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in for this weekend, our next video. We're probably gonna drop it next week. We're gonna start doing weekly videos, new videos every week. Keep you guys updated, keep you guys entertained. We really appreciate you guys watching, the support, the love, all the merch you guys have purchased. We're getting ready for another drop too. It's gonna be kind of a spooky season drop.
lot more to come.
Yeah, we got a lot planned, a lot coming up.
Tuned in.
So
stay tuned in.
Stay subscribed. Thanks for watching, guys.